Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, sir.
So, dear friends, let's see few things what we are using for the acupuncture purpose. So, this is called Sujo ring, and if you search on the Amazon, Flipkart, you will find them. Even I have, because I was in the need of lots of Sujo ring, and even there are many dealers who are supplying them. So these are the Sujo rings. Only there is a color difference. The material is same. So if we put in the fingers and we do up and down movement, so this is a very good stimulation. So we can do up and down movement. So the one Sujo ring are maybe 3 to 5 rupees or so. So we can give to the patient, and we can give the homework to the patient that he can stimulate the point. Like he can move the Sujo ring in all the fingers, thumb, like 10 to 15 times in the thumb. In the same way, 10 to 15 times in all the fingers. Okay, so this is the Sujo ring. Now I am showing you acupressure probe. So there are various size of acupressure probe available in the market. All are, you can get anyone. So these are the acupressure probes. So whether we want this, we can press the point. Suppose we want to press the liver, so we can do the pressure here. Or we want to press anywhere, we can do the acupressure here. All the acupressure probe having different size, but all can be used. So we can see there are different shapes. So from here, like suppose we want to massage the finger, so we can do the massage from here. And if we want to press, we can press from here. Like look at here. Sometimes we are getting like this roller. Then we can roll on the fingers like this. Okay. So generally, we are giving this Sujo ring to the patient. And if someone is suffering with the leg pain, hip pain, knee pain, so he can rotate the Sujo ring in the fingers. So you can carry the Sujo ring with you in the traveling, and if you find that someone is having pain, then you can gift one Sujo ring and tell them, okay, do the massage on the fingers. Now, if we talk about the seeds, so these are the seeds. These are the seeds. So we can see here, we can take out them from here. So these are the seeds in this way. So there is a one very thin tab and one metallic balls are here. So even we can put the seed like this. This is the ready, and the price of one strip near about 15 rupees, 15 or rupees or so. These all things are available. Like you can contact with the dealer and they will send with the courier. So after that, we can do the massage on the particular point with the help of this. Suppose if you don't want homemade product, so this is the black pepper, and same we can get the fenugreek seed or methi seed. So this is the black pepper, and we can take the paper tab. This is the half-inch paper tab, and the price of paper tab may be 20 rupees or 25 rupees, and this is available on the medical store. So we can take the paper tab like this. And we can put this black pepper, and we can put on some point. We will discuss shortly for the particular problem how we are putting that. So in place of paper tab, in place of this black pepper, we can use fenugreek seed. So in this way, we can take multiple black pepper as well. I have taken only one. Now, these are the very smaller and thin needles. Thin needles. The price of these needles are just 40 rupees. 40 rupees per packet. And near about 60 needles in one packet. And if we open, it is like that. So even suppose we want to treat the liver and we already knowing these are the liver area. So we can put the multiple needle like this. So this has become as Sujo acupuncture. So this has become Sujo acupuncture. This become hand, hand acupuncture. So we can put these needle at any place. These are the very thin needle. Now it has become acupressure. But if you are doing the pressure, then it has become acupressure. Look at here. So if I will put these needle here for 30 minutes every day, and within few days, I will see there is very good changes in the liver, because this area is liver. We have already discussed yesterday. And we can also put the color. We are already discussing since many days for the liver. We can use green color. Those who are practicing body acupuncture, they are using little bigger needle, but you are not in the need of that. These are the bigger needle. These are near about 1-inch needle, but you are not in the need of this. So in this way, we can use these. This is also the bigger needle. Those who are practicing body acupuncture, they can use these types of needle. But we have to do the treatment in the hands. So these stuff is enough for us. And once we use, we have to throw these all things, whether the black pepper and all. We cannot put these black pepper in the vegetable after using it. Okay, so don't use them, because many person are asking, now can we use this black pepper because I'm having coughing? So overnight I will try on my hand, and in the morning I will put in my tea. Is it okay? I'm telling no. Because these seeds are absorbing your negative energy from the body. So in that way, there are multiple things we can use for the treatment purpose. Now, not only this, even we are not having anything, we can use just acupressure with the help of our fingers. Even the acupressure is enough. Let's see now. Now look at my hand here. So yesterday we were talking about the, like this is the head region. This is the head region. Okay. And this is the chest cavity. So let's see the head region here once again here. So suppose if this is the head region, so we can draw 2 eyes. So first we have to draw the nose. Okay, tell me, can you search your nose? Search your nose. Are you able to find out? Okay, hold your nose. Okay, are you able to find out? Whether anyone who is not able to find out where is the nose? Okay. So even the fenugreek seed, I will show you, these are the fenugreek seed. Once I will show you fenugreek seed, then we will search the node. Okay, so look at, these are the fenugreek seed. So these are the fenugreek seed. The fenugreek seed we are using a lot. So suppose if we want to put the fenugreek seed at some point, so suppose we are taking one fenugreek seed and we can put at any point wherever we want. But we can take the lots of fenugreek seed like this. We can make the chain of the fenugreek seed. And we can, after making the chain, we can take like, And we can put a chain of fenugreek seed, like look at here. There are lots of fenugreek seed at the joint. Suppose we want to treat the junction of head and neck. So we can put in that way. Even we can take lots of fenugreek seed. Okay. And we can make the chain. And we can cover. Suppose we want to treat the legs. So these are the two legs. So first joint is the hip joint. Second joint, the knee joint. Third joint is the ankle joint. We want to treat the knee. So we can put this methi strip all around the knee. Okay, like this. So we can put even in the both knee joint. So this is a very good treatment for the knee pain because these are the two legs. So this is the hip joint, knee joint, ankle joint. So this is the knee. So we can cover the knee. Suppose someone is suffering with the shoulder pain. So we know this is the shoulder pain, shoulder, elbow, and this is the wrist. So suppose we want to put on the shoulder pain. So we can do little pressure first. Then we can make the one chain of the fenugreek seed and we can put around the shoulder joint in that way. So we can put the around the shoulder joint. So this is a wonderful technique, very easiest and very effective technique. So someone is calling you from the distance, your relative, your patient. Can you, I am suffering with a shoulder pain. Even you can guide online and he can do the treatment. So in that way, we can treat shoulder pain, elbow pain, wrist pain, other shoulder pain, elbow pain, wrist pain. We can treat the hip joint pain, knee joint pain, and the ankle joint pain. Okay, so in this way, because these two are leg, these two are arms. Okay. So now we were searching the notch. Okay, let's search the notch in the thumb. Let's search the notch in the thumb. So like we are searching the nose in our face and we will find it very easily because nose is protruded outside. In the same way, if you see your thumb very, very sharply, then you will find one protruded part here. You can see your thumb right now. You will find one protruded part here, that is the notch. So this is the notch. So if someone is suffering with a stuffed nose, blocked nose, rhinitis, sinusitis, or any problem of the nose, you can do the acupressure here. You can do the pressure here. And after doing the pressure, you can put the methi seeds here, fenugreek seed here, like this. First do the acupressure, then put the fenugreek seed. So finding out the nose is very important. So let's see. I'm marking the nose. So this is the notch. Once we found the notch, everything become very easy. Everything become very easy because below the notch, this will be mouth. And upper of the nose, this will be eyes. So finding out the nose is very much important. Because if we find the nose, then we can find eyes, we can find nose, we can find mouth. Now, one patient is coming to you with the problem of eyes. So what we are doing? We are doing the pressure here. We are doing the pressure here. It is improving the eyes. Now, the eyes are coming under which element? Wood, fire, earth, metal, and water. Tell me. Eyes are coming in which element? Wood, fire, earth. So eyes are coming under the wood element. Okay, so when you are going to the doctor, Doctor, can you treat my eye? So doctor is checking you, and doctor is finding that your eyes are very, very yellow. Then doctor will think there might be jaundice, there might be liver problem. So if you want to improve the eyes, just put the green color on the eye. Just put the green color, because green color is the color of eyes, because green color is the color of wood. So if you, in your home someone is suffering with the vision problem, you can guide them daily, put the green color over the eyes. Or the other very important things, even you can take the black pepper, because black pepper is looking like the eyes. You can see in the black pepper there are lots of wrinkles in the black pepper. In the black pepper you can see there are lots of wrinkles. In that wrinkles there are lots of energy is stored. So suppose if you want to treat the eye problem, the black pepper will be very, very excellent. The black pepper is the excellent tool. So taking the paper tap like this. So in this way, taking the two black pepper. So taking the two black pepper and putting on the two eyes. So this is a very good treatment for the vision. Do no need, because here black pepper working with the energy. This is the energy effect. Black pepper working with the energy. Because black pepper looking like the eyes, and in our body there is one rule. The rule that is called the things who are looking like same are treating the problem. Like black pepper is looking like eyes. So it will treat the eyes. Now I will show you one other thing, 1 minute only.
Excuse me, sir. We have to put it in both the thumbs.
Thank you. So this is the walnut. Tell me how the walnut look like.
Brain.
Brain. So it's we don't have to put whole walnut here, because we have to use the energy of the walnut. We have to use the energy of the walnut, because in our brain also there are sutures, there are wrinkles like the walnut. So we'll take some part of the walnut, some part of the walnut. So look at here. So we are taking some part of the walnut and we are sticking in the paper tap. Now we are putting on the brain, because if this is the, I told you, this is the head region. If this is the nose, mouth, eyes, so this is the brain. So we can put on the top this walnut just for 2 hours every day. This is a very good treatment for improving your brain power. Very effective treatment, improving brain power.
Sir, the methi and the pepper also is 2 hours a day?
Methi, like we can put the seeds for longer time, even for 8 hours. Even this walnut can be also put for 8 hours, but minimum hours are 2 hours. So if you want to improve the memory power of anyone in your home, if you want to work for the brain disorder, someone is suffering with the Alzheimer's, memory disorders, mental retardation, then you can do the treatment and you can advise the parent that put the walnut piece on the brain area, means on the top of the thumb.
Also, sir, can I just know, you said pepper for the eyes. What kind of eye issues apart from sight issues? For example, glaucoma or any other major issues with the eye, will that also benefit if we do the pepper? Or is it only for vision issues?
No. As per the hand microsystem, this is the complete eyes. This is the complete, you can treat. See, I will tell you one thing. Sometimes what is happening, we are trying a bigger treatment. Okay, let's do the acupuncture. Let's, as per the our acupuncture, this is the diagnosis, and we are doing lots of planning, and we are getting little results. Sometimes we are doing the simple treatment. The person suffering with the glaucoma or the some uveitis or the retinal problem, we are just putting the black pepper. We are getting more results. Sometimes simple things giving more effect. I have seen this. And during the emergencies, we never think bigger. During the emergency, we have to treat the patient very simply. Simply means if some emergency of the eyes, just forget everything, praise here. If the emergency of the liver, forget everything, just praise here. And once the emergency gone, then you can use your mind and do the deeper diagnosis and go ahead. But during the emergency, you can work immediately just by these simple methods.
Thank you, sir.
Now, what is that?
Almond.
Walnut. Almonds.
Almond.
Almonds.
Almond.
Almond. Almond खाने से what is the effect of almonds?
Memory power.
Almonds is very good for memory. Even it is very good for cholesterol and heart. There are two things are very good for cholesterol and heart. One is cinnamon, and second is almonds. So if someone is suffering with a cardiac problem, so or the doctor has advised the medicine of cholesterol as well. So tell the patient, soak the almond in the water in the night, at least 5 to 7 almonds, and have it in the morning. And not only this, take the powder of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon in the morning, 1/4 teaspoon in the evening with simple water. Then you will see the very good changes in the cholesterol, in the cardiac conditions. So definitely the almond is very good for brain, but almond oil also very good for heart. Now, look at my hand. So if you look at my hand here, this is the diaphragm. This is the diaphragm. And this is the midpoint. And we can make the heart here. This is the heart. Just make a almond like. Heart is like a almond here. You can make the heart. So if you put the element here, and don't think that you have to put whole element, even you can put the piece of the element. So even you can put the element in this way. So this is a very good treatment for the heart. So remember, this is This is the muscle. The name of this muscle is hypothenar. And we can put the element here on the point of heart. So in this way, we will able to treat multiple problems here. Got it? Yeah, look at here. 1 minute. Now, suppose you want to do the treatment of the eyes, but you don't have black pepper, then what to do? So in place of black pepper, you can take the fenugreek seed. Okay, so I told you, sorry, this is the thinner muscle, thinner, and this is the hypothenar. So this muscle is called thinner. This all elevated part. And the center of this thinner muscle is the heart. And this is the hypothenar muscle. In the hypothenar muscle, we have seen the liver. This is the liver. So now, let's talk about a little more about the heart. Let's talk about a little more. As per the 5 element, heart belongs to the fire, that we know. Heart and small intestine belong to the fire. And what is the color of fire?
Red.
The color of fire is red. Now, if you put the red color, then it will increase the functioning of the heart. Like you're putting the red color bindi here, red color sindoor here, red color mehndi in the palm. So you are igniting your fire, you are igniting your power. Fire means power. Fire means power. You know why we should have, why we are in the need to ignite the fire? Why? You know, what is the difference between the person who is having more fire and the other person who is having very poor fire? Can you find out if 2 persons are looking like same, they're not? So how will you find out that this person is having more fire and this person is having no fire? The person having
Hyperactive.
Yes, what?
Hyperactive. Sir. Fire is more.
Hyperactivity is because of the wood, not the fire. Hyperactivity connected to the wood. Wood means chanchalta. Wood means activity. The meaning of fire, you know, the person is running for the name and fame. Person can do anything for name and fame. Suppose you are looking the dream that you are sleeping in the night and you are on the stage, there are 10,000 people clapping for you. You have done something in the crowd and 10,000 people clapping for you. So the fire personality are looking dream like this. They are running behind the name and fame. They can give anything for the name and fame, anything. You have seen there are many persons, they are just running for the name and fame, even money is secondary to them. And there are many persons, money is first thing for them, better, they got lots of insult, they don't bother. But the person who cannot compromise with the name and fame, having more fire, sometimes it is beneficial. Why? Because if you want lots of name and fame, then you are doing lots of social services, because you want name and fame. You are donating something for your name and fame, but because of donation, someone is getting benefit. Okay, you are giving your contribution to society. So the fire personality are jolly, friendly, social, smiley. there are always a smile on the face. Because fire, there is the expression of fire. Always a smile. A smile without cracking the jokes, that is a fire. Yeah, they are smiling. And you are unable to find out why they are smiling. They are just smiling. A smile on the face, that is a sign of fire personality. Fire. And the person is like this all the day. Just opposite to fire. Just opposite to fire. We will discuss later. Means there are many persons having U-shaped, and some B-shaped. So there are just two opposite persons. So if you are smiley all the time, so in my college, one of my friends was always smiling, always smiling. So some of my friend were having very discomfort. Why this person is always smiling? Why? Without any cause. How can one person smile like this? In the life, there are lots of stress, anxiety. How this person can always smile? Even one day we found that the person fell in some examination. Okay, then we have, okay, let's go and see today. Still he was smiling. So now we ask, okay, why you smile? No, I don't smile. So he is not smiling, but that is natural. Smiling, natural smile. Okay, so many person having means they are not smiling, but there is a natural smile on their face because a smile is connected from our heart. So the person is always, maybe you have seen some person right now, or maybe many years ago, 5 years ago, 10 years ago, they were smiling. After 15 years, if you meet them suddenly, if they are not smiley right now, it means they are suffering with some problem. They are suffering with the disease. And what is the disease? What type of disease will happen? The disease will happen whether the disease of heart or the disease of the small intestine, because fire is connected with the heart or the small intestine. Fire is connected with that. So in the acupressure science, it is clearly written, if the person is always smiley, you have seen for 5 years, 10 years, and suddenly he is not smiley, it means the person having some problem. And it is also written, the person is never smiley since the childhood, but now he is smiling. There is again some problem. There is some, because the person is moving against the constitution. Against the constitution. What is your natural prakriti? You are moving. Okay, so whatever your personality, that should be good and balanced for you. We cannot copy the personality of others. Never think, now today onwards I will smile all the time. No, you can't. You can do for only 2 days. After that, you will do whatever you have inside. That will reflect from your facial expression, from your eyes. Okay, so in that way. So suppose some person, if you want to bring the smile, if you want to bring the happiness, so what we are going to do, we can put the red color on the heart. The red color is the color of fire. If you put the red color on the heart, it will increase the functioning of the heart. So someone is having the poor functioning of the heart. Nowadays, many persons have the poor functioning of the heart. What is angina pain? What is angina? Angina pectoris. What is that? Why chest pain? Because heart is not getting blood. So remember, during the attack, because I already told you, during the acute condition, we have to set it during the acute condition. So during the acute condition, definitely we will call the grandmother, okay, come and control. But the So suppose someone is getting the heart attack. Oh, chest pain, do something. So that is the acute condition. Acute means excessive condition. Then who is the grandmother of fire? Who is the grandmother?
Water.
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 And color?
Black,
Black
dark,
or
dark
blue.
blue.
Dark.
Or dark blue. So if you are getting someone getting chest pain, I think this is the heart attack. Because then put the black or dark blue color here. You can do the acupressure and put the black color, dark blue color. That time no need to put the red color, because emergency means calling the grandmother. Now now person is coming in other time, not emergency. Okay, doctor, my heart is little weaker, can you do something? My heartbeat is little weaker, can you do something? Then okay, put the red color every day. Put with the red color, slowly and slowly you can enhance the functioning of the heart. Then you can increase the, because red color means igniting the fire. So let's see how can we do. So this is the red color. So look at this image now. So what I can do, this is the heart, and I can put the red color here. Like we are putting the red color bindi. Like we are putting the red color bindi here. Red color sindoor here. So this is the home birth. If the female is suffering with a heart problem, then you can tell the female, okay, if you put the black, if someone is suffering with a heart problem, then you can tell them, put the red color, male or female, anyone. Okay. But you know, people are not committed. People are not committed. If you tell, okay, if someone is having no any problem, okay, some female is coming and she is not suffering with any problem, and you tell her, okay, put the red color here. And you put the red color here. It's good for you. She will not do. Okay, put the red color here. It is good for your it is good for your husband. Then she will do. Okay, these are techniques. Because we are doing things emotionally. Otherwise, we don't do. Okay, it is good for your kids. Okay, I will do for sure every day. If the female are not putting, the married female or many female are not putting the red color here, then they feel guilty sometimes. Oh, I'm not doing good. So how this red color sindoor, if the female put, we are doing the color therapy on the female, it will increase the dopamine in the female only. Then female will be happy, then definitely husband will be happy indirectly. If the dopamine will not good, then female will be unhappy, sad. She will not cook the dinner. Then husband will come, okay, today my mood is not good. You can cook yourself, and even for me. or order from Zomato or Swiggy. Swiggy. Then one day husband will do, second day husband will do. After that, the unhappiness will come. So that's why for the happiness and health for the husband, if females would put the red color here. Now, not only for females, even for male. If the male is suffering with the Parkinson disease, the Parkinson disease means poor dopamine hormone. The dopamine hormone is the same hormone which is giving us pleasure, happiness. And what are the sources of dopamine hormone? Can anyone tell? What are the sources of dopamine hormone? Number one,
Sweets.
Smoking,
Cigarette.
tobacco,
Tobacco.
charas, ganja, heroin, opium. Some creating little dopamine, some creating euphoria. Euphoria means the storm of dopamine. Like the charas. Person is having too much dopamine, so too much pleasure, and he is feeling now not in this world. He's in the other world. Okay, so that's why they are addicted. And if you start doing smoking, if you start taking some drugs, and you're feeling pleasure because of dopamine hormone. Now, if you don't take, then you're depressed. All other time you're fully depressed because now you are addicted. If you want pleasure, if you want happiness, then dopamine hormone will be secreted by the brain neurons only if you take certain drugs. Otherwise, when we are happy, it is secreting naturally. But when we are addicted, it will not secret until and unless you take the same thing, same drugs. That's why we are addicted. So the person, so how when the person is smoking now, so as soon as he gets stressed, automatically he is searching the packet of cigarette, automatically unconsciously. When he is stressful, automatically hand is going in the pocket, and he unconsciously he is igniting the cigarette and start smoking because the brain is asking dopamine. Same for the tobacco. The tobacco person, the person eating the tobacco and stressful and unable to take some decision, so immediately automatically hand will go in the pocket. He will open the tobacco packets and will take the tobacco, and it will increase the dopamine. And the same thing is done by the red color here. If you put the red color here, at least 3 finger length, at least 3 finger length. If someone is doing formality putting like this will very little. But if someone is pulling 3 finger length, whether male or female, it's not for only the female. This is the point. Same for male, same for female. If the person is suffering with the unhappiness, even the male person, you can tell them put the sindoor every day. Male can put for wife and female can put for the husband. Now suppose still it's very difficult. Someone is no, I can't put. Then no problem, do the acupressure. Keep your middle finger here, 2 finger on the side, do the zigzag movement. Do the zigzag movement, even this technique will be useful. So you have to ultimately, you have to be happy. And this is the very good point for happiness. Now, so this is the hard point for improving the joy, increasing the joy. One person always running for the name and fame. He is fire personality. He is fire personality. Let's see this. I am going to give a complete PDF on this, what we are discussing.
Excuse me, sir. These seeds which we place like pepper and almond, we have to place on both the palms.
We can place in both or one, anyone.
Oh, okay.
Not mandatory.
Okay, sir.
So look at, these are the 5 elements. Wood. Wood is represented by the green color, fire, red, and one more fire, that is orange, fire plus. Then earth is represented by the yellow, metal brown, and water is dark blue. So now, I already told you about the tongue. I already told you about the tongue. So tongue is coming under the fire. Tongue is coming under the fire. We have already seen. Eyes are coming under the wood. In the same way, tongue is coming under the fire. So if someone is speaking a lot, then what we'll do? Which color we are going to put? Someone is speaking a lot, means fire is too high. Then which color we are going to put?
Blue or black? Black or blue.
Right. Or someone is telling, okay, I am tired, I am not feeling like to speak. You want to go, you want to take your husband or wife to party. But after doing work for whole day, he's tired or she's tired. Okay, now I'm not feeling like to speak. I will not go. Okay, no problem. I will give you treatment. Okay, don't go, but I will give you treatment. So do the acupressure on the heart, put the red color here. Okay, do the acupressure, put the red color here. And after that, here fire will increase and start speaking after some time, because as soon as tongue will get the energy, then you ask again after 30 minutes, okay, let's go. Okay, go. In that way, you can change the mood, because mood is just any.
Sir, can we put green color? It's
Green,
mother, na?
we can put the self color as well as the mother color,
Okay, sir.
because mother is also helping the son. So right now, I'm telling you, putting the same color, the red color. So red color, you can put the red color on the red color, because red color is the color of fire. The person will start speaking. If someone is feeling lots of agitation, okay. What is agitation? Not feeling like to speak out something, then put the red color. So red color will help person to speak. Suppose you can think about yourself. Sometime you were very happy. That time you were very confident. Even anyone is coming to you, you were very confident. And you will find that if your energy is synchronized, whether you are expert or not, but you are speaking very nicely and the person is getting influenced. But if you are depressed, then you cannot influence anyone, because your energy is reflecting from you. So if you want, because you are going to your office and there you have to speak a lot, because you can't sit without speaking. Then put the red color here, red, or anywhere where it's possible, or put the red color here. If not possible, do the acupressure at least. Do the acupressure. Sometimes it's not possible to put the red color here. Do the acupressure.
Sir, it's at the heart place where we have to put the color, is it? Heart.
Yes.
And the one who speaks a lot to control the speech, is that also at heart or the tongue?
Yeah, the heart. Heart is controlling the tongue.
Not here, not on the thumb.
No, definitely. We can put all there also.
Okay.
You're right in that thought, you're right. But we have to put, like, the real source of the speech is heart. Okay. If your tongue is very nice, tongue is very good, but heart is like if electricity. Okay, your AC is very beautiful and 5-7-star rating, but no electricity. Then how AC will work? So heart is the electricity for tongue. Okay, so you might have experience, even I have experience. Many times we are going with few people and some person having lots of heart energy. It's become very difficult. They're speaking a lot and lot. Sometimes we get fed up. Okay, please calm down. Please relax. Let's relax my ear. Let the relax my ear. Okay. But some people are speaking lot. Then gently take the hand and do the drawing of the brown, do the drawing of the dark blue color on the heart. That within few minutes, within 5 to 6 minutes, then you can tell, okay, let's calm down, relax yourself. The person will relax automatically. Otherwise, it's very difficult. Okay. So this is the heart. Now, now it is a very common problem, that is increased blood pressure. Increased blood pressure. Okay, these everything is given in the PDF, which I'm going to give you. So don't worry if you miss to write something. You write, keep on writing. But if you miss something, so don't worry that for that. So blood vessels are coming under the fire. So if there's a more fire, then blood vessels will pump the blood very fast because there is more fire. Even blood want to rush. Blood is rushing if there is a more fire. So it will result high blood pressure, high BP. On the opposite side, if fire is low, then the blood vessels also will become little loose, little dilated, little bigger. Then blood will flow little slowly, and it may create low blood pressure. Getting my point? So the high blood pressure, because fire is more. Low blood pressure because of fire is less. So one person is coming to me telling, and I checked told me that I am having lots of headache here. Lots of headache in this part. And because of this headache, I was not able to sleep last night. Okay, I checked the BP. The BP was a little high. Okay, then I decided, okay, let's do something for the blood pressure. Then because now in my mind, okay, I have to do something for the blood pressure. Blood pressure means more pressure in the blood vessels. That is clear. What is blood pressure? The pressure of the blood in the wall of blood pressure, like this is the pipeline, like we are giving water to the plants with the pipe. And if we want to throw the water little away, then we can close the mouth little of the pipe, then water will go little away. In the same way, when the pipeline blood vessels are becoming narrow, blood is running very fast. Now, so, okay, fire is more, then which color will help? Tell me, if fire is more, how to reduce the fire?
Grandmother, sir.
Black or dark blue?
Black or dark blue. So in this condition, I did the two treatment. Look at here. Look at what it, and the person got relief immediately. Even you will do the treatment and you will see the immediate relief. So look at here now. Yeah. So this is the black color. Okay. So my target to reduce the fire. So I am going to the heart chakra. So this is the heart chakra. And I will reduce the fire with the black color or the dark blue color. Now I also have to reduce the fire in the brain. So remember this thing, this whole area is the brain area. Means the area above from this joint is the head region. And putting the black color here is very excellent for reducing the blood pressure. Reducing the blood pressure because it is directly affecting our blood pressure. Now question comes, why this point? Why not front? Why this only? So the answer is this. I will tell you. So look at here, then look back. Okay, can you tell me why the backside point will be more efficient for the blood pressure? What do you think? Just think with logic. In our head, what is here and what is here? What is in the front side and what is in the back side? In our head region. This is the cerebrum, master brain, and this is the small brain, cerebellum, medulla oblongata, midbrain. Okay. You know, when you are practicing the karate and you are hitting here, the person may die immediately. That you know, if you hit with the purpose of this, because there are many points. If you hit the person here, the person will die immediately. Why? Because here we are having medulla oblongata, which is the control of heartbeat, all the involuntary action in the body, like heart is beating. Whether you are giving command to beat, okay, beat now, stop now, beat now, stop now. You are not giving command. Lung is breathing automatically. You are speaking with me, I am speaking with you, but lung is breathing automatically. So all these involuntary actions are under control by this back. So this is the big brain, this is the small brain. A small brain is control of all the involuntary action. So if there is a low blood pressure, high blood pressure, even the blood pressure, breathing rate, heart rate, all are controlled by this backside brain. So if someone is hitting someone during the karate practice, the person may die immediately. Heart will collapse immediately. The heartbeat will stop immediately. The breathing will stop immediately. Okay. So this is the control, medulla oblongata. Medulla oblongata is control of all the involuntary activities like breathing, like these all. So when we are talking about this back part, this is the back part of the head. We are putting the black color here. We are coming down this, so it will reduce the blood pressure. So if someone is telling you, I am not able to sleep, you put the black color here. If someone is not able to sleep, you can put the black color here. If someone is having high blood pressure, you can put the black color or dark blue color here. And the single point will reduce the unwanted heat from this area, Got it? Very simple treatment. Okay. One more thing, even if you don't want to put the color, you can put the seeds. You can put the, but color is working as per the wavelength, because black color or dark blue color reducing, it is the color of grandmother. Now, on the opposite, if someone is having low BP, if someone is having low blood pressure, you want to increase the blood pressure. So who will increase? Who will increase? Who will increase?
The green colors.
Red dot.
So self color or the mother color?
Red color, yeah.
So we can put the red color here or the mother color here. So if you put the red color here, it will ignite. Okay, it will give the message to the medulla oblongata. Okay, do more work, because fire means growth and the maximum growth. The meaning of fire is growth or maximum growth. So it will give message to the medulla oblongata. It will give message to the small brain. Okay, do little more work. So we are igniting the fire little more. You are cooking the food and it is not cooking on the time. So you are igniting the fire. Okay, now cook fast. In the same way, we are giving the message to the medulla oblongata. Okay, now I'm increasing the fire, increase the blood pressure little more. So we can do with the help of here. Even we can do the red color here, red color on the heart. So in that way, we can do. The blood vessels are under control of fire. Tongues are under control of fire. And if we are facing south, then south is the direction of fire. In the many stories, it is written that the China of emperor was commanding the pupil facing south. Why the south? Why the south? When some leader is commanding the pupil, why facing south? Because south is the direction of fire. It will give you lots of energy of the fire, and ultimately you have to speak with the help of tongue, which is under control of fire. Then you will speak with a full leadership quality, with full confidence, without hesitation and all. So south is the direction of fire. So I'm telling you, always keep your head to the south after the marriage, because in the married life, fire is very much needful. Fire is connected with the full growth. Full growth means when someone is taking birth, then after 12 years, the fire is start 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, till the 24 years, he's getting a complete height, complete growth, secondary sexual characters are coming. These all things happening in the fire. So if anyone coming to you, doctor, any female is coming to you, okay, my breasts are not developed fully. Okay, ignite the fire. Ignite the fire. Fire is poor. Okay, the age is 17 years, still periods is not coming. Okay, ignite the fire. Because 0 to 12 years is the Buddha. Every 12 years, the 12 years wood, 12 years fire, 12 years earth, 12 years metal, 12 years water. So 0 to 12 years is Buddha, and then 12 to 24 years is the fire. So everything should come on their time. If the male is coming, my mistake is not coming, and male is 20 years, it means you have to ignite the fire. On the other side, if you feel that something happening little early, something like something someone is having, these things very excessively, then we can also reduce it. So everything should come on their time. So we can do the same thing when we have to ignite the fire. So let's, okay, when you're cooking the food, and when you are cooking the food, or we can give other example, that is okay. Even in the Ayurveda, it has been told in the Ayurveda that if you are having more fire in the body, then you should eat bitter things, bitter. Okay, like, can you give me the example of some bitter vegetables?
Bitter gourd.
So these things are bitter. So if there is a more fire, we can eat bitter to balance them. That's why we are advising not to take too much bitter, because too much bitter may decrease your fire, Everything should be in balance. So you know that neem leaves. Neem leaves are very good. Everyone should take for few days, like 3 days, 5 days, every 2 to 3 months. Every 2 to 3 months, everyone should take 3 to 5 days neem leaves. It's a very good blood purifier. It's a very good for health. The neem leaves are even good for high blood pressure. Why? Because they are bitter. So they are very good for high blood pressure. But if someone is taking excessively, then it will reduce the fire. It will reduce the quality of male and female genital hormones. So the quality of semen and the quality of male and female ovum and sperm will be little poor. If someone is taking excessive means start taking neem and taking 4 months continuously without break. The person might get very good benefit in the blood pressure because he has decreased a fire lot, and it will definitely reduce the BP. But it will also reduce the sexual ability, sexual virility. So all the person, everything is good, nothing is good, nothing is bad, everything should take in on time in the proper ratio. And so even neem leaves can be taken by everyone, should take by everyone, but not excessively. But the person is like 50 years, 55 years, and now having too much high blood pressure, we can give, even we are giving the tablet of neem for many days, for 20 days, 21 days. Then we are telling, okay, stop for a few days, then restart. Even the neem leaves are good for diabetes. These are very good for diabetes. Why? Because neem are blood purifier. So right now, my intention to tell you not the neem, anything which is bitter, reducing the fire, anything. So when we are planning even Ayurveda medicinal, planning for someone, if we are planning for the high BP, we are searching the bitter things. We are searching the bitter things. With the help of bitter things, we can reduce the fire. As per the Ayurveda, there are three things who are reducing the, we know 6 rasas, Madhur, Lavan, Katu, Tikta, Kashaya, that you know, sweet, sour, salty, pungent, astringent, and bitter, that you know. So there are three tests who are decreasing the fire. Who are decreasing the fire? Number one, Madhur, sweet. Number two, bitter. Bitter. And number three, astringent. All three tests, you know. Everyone know. Madhur, Tikta, Kashaya means Mitha, Kadwa, and Kasela. Kasela means like we are eating the jamun. What do you tell jamun? Jamun. Have you eaten jamun? You know jamun. क्या बोलते हैं jamun को? What is the other name of jamun?
Guava.
Guava? No, no, no.
Oh, Neredi Panda. Okay, okay.
Indian blackberries.
Yes, yes, sir.
When you eat the jamun, after that you feel some dryness in your mouth. Okay.
Yes, sir.
That is reducing the fire. That is reducing the fire. And even when you are eating bitter, we already discussed, that is reducing the fire. And when you are eating madhur means sweet. Sweet means not rasgulla, not that, not the sweets and like that, because they are nowadays there are lots of problems in that sweets. Sweet means natural sweets. Take the fruits, like sweet fruits. Take the papaya is very sweet, pomegranate, all the fruits means natural sweets. They are very good. If someone is eating lots of fruit, they are sweet. So you will see madhur tikta kashaya, sweet, and these three tests will reduce the fire. Okay. So now, okay, before proceeding, I think enough for today. It is 5:22. So now Saturday, Sunday is holiday. Am I right? Am I right? Now, what about Monday? Because Monday is Janmashtami. I don't know. What's your schedule on the Janmashtami? What about Monday? As per your schedule, I am just
Let's
asking.
continue, sir.
We are okay, sir. It's up to you. We are okay.
All
To
of
my
you.
knowledge.
Yes, sir.
No problem. No problem.
No problems.
But it's up to you, sir. If you want to take off, let us know.
Okay, no. Okay, we'll do the session. No problem. Okay, for all of you, because in my other courses, participants were asking, okay, because suddenly then they're asking Janmashtami and that. But all of you,
Janmashtami puja is there, sir. Puja is there, Janmashtami. That's why holiday is good.
okay, but all of you are comfortable now on Monday.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so no problem. We'll do on Monday. So one more thing. Are you enjoying this course?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very well,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
If you
Yes,
want,
yes, sir.
if you want to upgrade something, if you want, then you can suggest me. Okay, I am your colleague only. Okay, so you can suggest me as a friend. Okay, kindly do this, don't do that. You can suggest me everything very clearly without any problem. Okay, I will upgrade. Okay, all of you are able to see the recordings.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so all of you are able to see the recording, and I hope I will receive the recording of yesterday from Vidyaji, so I will upload because I'm
I think
with,
Vidya shared some YouTube today.
yeah, because
Probably.
yeah, that I have passed it
Oh,
to Vidyaji, then
yeah.
she shared, but because the recording of yesterday and today, if I get
Right.
today, then I will upload. Okay,
Sure. Yeah.
so
And sir, so far, have you shared any PDF? Sorry, I just wanted to check.
no, I
No.
have not shared because the thing is this, uh, many things. Sometimes what is happening? Many things are changing with the flow, with the demand, with the need. So I will upload like one PDF in few days, and
Yeah.
in the last I will upload a complete PDF.
All right. No
Okay.
problem. Yeah.
But even you keep on making the notes because making the notes, then you will remember the thing little easily. Okay.
Sure.
Sir, excuse me, sir. Sir, if someone is not having any problem, but they want to do something like pressing points or like massage, so what you will suggest them, sir?
Yeah. So that
You
time
know,
I will.
we
Yeah.
follow. I mean, yeah.
So we'll do the Japanese massage. I will tell you how to do the Japanese massage. Okay, we will hold the finger like and we'll do that. But there is a risk if your family member, if this is your family member and you do for one day, the person will ask you for doing every day. Okay, do my massage. And you will ask and like, okay, please come and do a massage. Then you are every day doing this. Okay. Because the person is feeling very good. If you do the general stimulation of the point, I will tell you how to do that. I will tell you. You want right now to tell or next day?
Now, okay, if
Continue,
it's
sir.
not long.
Yeah.
If it is not long, today we will be fine.
Okay, it's okay. Today I will show you little. Shiva,
We will take whatever Guru gives us, sir.
idhar haath rakho. So like hold the hand like this. Okay. Right. So this is my daughter Shiva. Okay.
Hello.
Okay.
Welcome.
So holding the hand like this, and like this, and like this. Okay, this is the holding of the hand. Okay. So look at one second. I'm holding the hand like this. Then starting from this area, I'm doing the massage, like very gentle massage. Then gentle massage here. 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 Then gentle massage in the center line. Everywhere we have to do at least 15 to 20 times. So we can make 1, 2, 3 groups here, 1, 2, 3 groups here, and the center 1, 2, and 3 groups here. So we can do the gentle massage here. And after that, we can do the just rubbing the palm, even rubbing the palm. So this is the gentle stimulation you can do for everyone. If someone is suffering, if someone is not having any problem, it is very relaxing. If you do, it will take hardly 2 to 3 minutes. And all the family member will be happy in your home and your credit will increase. Okay, so you can do that. Okay, fine.
If somebody has diabetes, what color and where would you suggest?
Yeah, so diabetes is
Because it's quite common, so it's better to know.
So diabetes is already in our list of the 14 disease. So we are going to discuss. We have very description of that. We have many images, PDF, everything. So I will come to that point after completing all the 5 elements. Then we are going to discuss even lots of reflexology point, because right now we are discussing some general point, and after that we will discuss some reflexology point, and we will make the customized plan for all the diseases.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Sir, I have a question.
Yes.
Okay. So suppose a patient, a normal person, he has an heart attack or suppose stroke, and now his heart is on machine maker. So what color would be suitable for him? Like at that.
Okay. So during the attack, it is acute condition. So we have to call the grandmother. But right now, if there are many days pass, person is relaxed, the emergency condition has gone. Now we have to increase because why the heart attack? Because heart has not get the blood. Because heart is pumping the blood all around, but heart need blood for himself as well. Okay, with the help of coronary arteries, and there is a blockage in the coronary arteries, heart is not getting the blood, so there is a poor supply of the heart is causing the heart attack. So once the emergency gone, now our target to improve the efficiency of the heart. So during that time is after many days pass, then definitely we are going to put the red color. But suppose still you are not sure, okay, now what is the condition, whether it is acute or the chronic, then do not put color, then you can put the elements and you can do the acupressure till the time you are not confident that whether this is the acute condition or the chronic.
So even if the person has got pacemaker, we can do that?
Yes, we can definitely do it. If the person has done the pacemaker means there is an artificial generator implanted in the heart. So we can support the heart with the red color.
Sir, apart from the 14 problems that we're going to discuss, could we also know, are there any points or any color therapy which would help somebody deal with addiction, like be it tobacco, chewing?
Yeah, so actually this addiction is a very detailed thing, because I already conducted few workshops on the addiction earlier. And I would like to tell you, addiction is very, very detailed thing. Even for the every addiction, we have separate points. Few points are common, 5 points are common. Even you can go in my website where you are seeing your course. You put addiction there in the search, then you will find one free course on the addiction. You can see that there is a 5-point protocol, only the 5 point for any types of addiction, and we have to put the 5 point in the ear. It will work for addiction. But if you want to treat the every different types of individual addiction, there will be different. So that is not the, because we have taken 14-15 disease and our target to complete them thoroughly. Okay, so because, and these diseases are very commonly, because you are facing every day these types of patients. So in this course, we are not going to discuss addiction, but you will find there, you can see it. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
I have a question.
సార్ మసాజ్ చేసినప్పుడు డైరెక్షన్ యాంటీ డైరెక్షన్ లేదా క్లాక్ వైజ్ ఆర్ యాంటీ క్లాక్ వైజ్ అప్ అండ్ డౌన్ అయిన డిఫరెన్స్?
Yeah, so suppose if we, number one thing, don't think for that clock and anti-clock, just do the simple massage. But even if you want to develop the deeper understanding, then doing the clockwise will increase the energy and doing the anti-clockwise will decrease the energy. So the doing the clockwise means tonification, increasing the energy. Okay, and doing the anti-clockwise means decreasing the energy. So when we are doing massage, we are doing simply, we are not doing in that way. But if you want to work as per that energy, so just moving the finger like this clockwise will increase the energy, and moving the finger anti-clockwise will decrease the energy. That is the energy pattern. You can do that.
Up and down, Andy?
No, with the up and down there is no, because in the Sujo there is a no, here no direction. In the meridian there is a direction, but here there is a no direction.
So now, if you have like
yeah,
చంబులో ఈ ఇక్కడ పెయిన్ అన్నమాట, ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడ దాకా numbness and pain.
Numbness and pain where?
On the thumb, right from the tip of the thumb to the end of the thumb.
Okay, the person is suffering with the numbness. Okay, no problem. So see, as per the Sujo, we know these are the two arms. These are the two arms. Okay, so this is the shoulder joint, this is the elbow joint, and this is the wrist joint. Getting my point? So now thumb will come here, Now question is come where thumb will come, because this is too big part. So remember this position always. Remember, I will tell you which position you have to remember. 1 minute. So look at, remember this position. Thumb is outside. Remember this position. Thumb is outside. So you see any finger. You can see any finger. Here thumb will be outside. Here toes will be, great toe will be outside, and means I am doing the correlation with the central line. This is the correlation with the center line. Thumb and great toe will be outside. So this is the outside. This is the outside. This is the outside. And this is the outside. So if you want to treat the great toe, so go outside. If you want to treat the thumb, go outside. If you want to treat the toe, great toe, go outside. If you want to treat the thumb, go outside. You will see these things. It's same thing in the image. Same thing in the image, which I am going to give you. So same thing you are going to see in the image, means thumb is outside if we do the comparison with the central line. So if you are going in the hand, suppose I am doing this like this. Now look at my hand here. Now this is the right hand. This is the left hand. Now want to treat the left hand. Suppose want to treat the left hand. And this is the wrist joint. This is the wrist joint. So thumb will come outside. So thumb will come this side. I can treat here in this area. I can do the acupressure. So when you will see the image, then you will find the same thing. In the image, it's very clearly given. Thumb is outside from the central line.
Sir, what is the difference between seeds and magnets?
The seeds is having natural energy, like we have. We have our natural energy, which is very natural, live energy. We have aura. Even seeds are having aura. And when we talk about the magnets, magnet also having energy, but magnet is not having aura. Magnet having magnetic energy. That is different type of energy. So magnet having north pole and south pole. So with the help of north and south pole and some neutral pole. So we are having three types of magnets: north pole, south pole, and neutral pole. So it depends. We want to increase the energy, north pole. We want to decrease the energy, south pole. Neither we want to increase or decrease, then neutral pole we are using. But in this course, I'm not going to confuse you with the tonification and sedation with the help of magnet. We will take all the natural things like seeds and all.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you.
For Parkinson, what will you?
Because we have disease already. Right now we are developing our concept. After that, we will discuss the disease one by one. We have already disease in the list. So first I am developing the concept of the 5 elements. Then we will develop the concept. Parkinson means decreasing secretion of the dopamine hormone. So you have to increase the dopamine secretion. You can treat the brain. You can put the walnut on the brain. You have to increase the secretion of the dopamine hormone. You can put the walnut here. Increase the fire. Because in the patient of Parkinson, there is a decreased fire, decreased pleasure, decreased happiness, and decreased dopamine. Even you can put the red color here on the heart. Because with the heart of putting the red color here, you can increase the fire, and you can put the walnut here. So you can improve the functioning of the neurons in the brain. So in this way, you can start treating the Parkinson. We are having few disease which is connected with the depression and all. So in that disease, we are having discussion that how to treat the mental types of disorders. So that point also you will add with this point, then it will make the complete protocol.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, if like you mentioned that somebody is too talkative and you want to just reduce that, so we will apply either dark blue color or black color in place of heart. So will it not be affecting parallelly the heart also?
No, because see, it will like, see, as per the acupressure science, everything is connected with, because when you are thinking heart, when you are thinking heart, you are just thinking about this heart. Okay, you're thinking about this heart only. And when you are thinking about the liver, you are just thinking about the liver here. But as per the acupressure science, this is the liver. Eyes are the liver. Tongue is the heart. Blood vessels are the heart. So these are the like one. I am talking about the one tree, and there are lots of branches of the tree. So heart is there, and one branch is tongue, one branch is blood vessels. So even we want to nourish the branch, we have to give the water to the roots. And definitely there is a connectivity with the heart. We cannot tell the problem in the branch is only the problem of the branch. If you go in the deeper, it will definitely will be connected with the root. So nourishing the heart will affect thoroughly. So like I will give I'm telling you, like someone is feeling not joyful, not happy, and you are increasing the fire. So the person will, maybe he's not sharing with something else, that will also be improved in that way.
Thank you so much.
I just have one last question. Yesterday I asked about ADHD and I got disconnected. So this is just to get a clarification. Since they have a lot of hyperactivity, and that is connected to the wood area, if I'm not wrong. So coloring brown is what is going to help bring down the hyperactivity. Is that right?
Yes, yes. Right. Yeah, right.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, how many days will it will take to heal, sir?
There is no thumb rule that many person are calling me, doctor, I am suffering with a knee pain. How many days you will take to cure me? I cannot tell unless I check you, because knee pain can be cured within 2 days and maybe it will take 6 months. It depends on the degeneration. It depends on the condition, whether this is the osteoarthritis, simple osteoarthritis, or the severe osteoporosis. In the same way, for every disease, one depression patient can come out quickly with one counseling, and one another depression patient will not come out whatever you do. So definitely there is no thumb rule, not written anywhere, that this types of problem can be cured within these days. But a general protocol, in general, we are giving 12 to 15 treatment, and in general, we are telling we will give 12 to 15 treatment, and patient will get very good benefit. Sometimes we have to repeat the session 3 times, like 12 to 15, 12 to 15, 12 to 15 day session in a month, for 3 months. But even in my clinic, many patients are coming, they are getting cured within 7 days, but many patients taking 3-4 months. Even for the migraine looked like simple. One person may get the result in 5 days, and one person is still having only 50% relief after 3 months. It depends.
Sir, if you do any acupressure to any person, that we will lose energy, our body's energy we will lose.
So if we are doing the acupressure, it depends. Like, see, definitely, even I am talking to you, I am losing my energy. I am losing my energy. Okay. If I don't want to lose my energy, then I should close my mouth and I should sit in silence. We do every task, we are losing our energy. Sometimes when I am taking too many workshops, I am losing my energy too much. Even I become too tired. Means, sometimes just talking with the people, with the participant, and make us too much tired. So even you do anything, you will lose the energy. But you should know how to regain it. So you have to do the pranayama. If you want to become the good healer, then you should know how to recharge yourself. Definitely you are going to lose whatever you do. Like, suppose you are sitting alone, you are sitting in your home, someone is coming to you and talking to you, and the person is telling, oh, I am feeling very good after talking to you. Means he has taken little energy from you and you have given. That's why we want to go why we want to go to the Guru, because Guru is having high energy. And why Guru also is nowadays, you can see Guru is also wearing the black spectacle. Even we are losing energy from the eyes. I'm not talking to you, just I'm looking you, and my energy is going in you. And if I'm higher energy, then my energy will go. If I'm low energy, I will receive energy from you, because energy is going from higher to lower pole. So if we think in that way, we will not able to do any treatment. Definitely we are losing the energy, but we can even regain the energy by taking the bath from the salt water, by doing the some nadi shodhan pranayama, by doing the some pranayama activity, we will regain immediately, because in the cosmos the energy is like a ocean. You take one bucket and you are bringing one bucket water from the ocean, ocean will not get affected. So in that, with the tremendous energy available all around, just close your eyes, sit calmly, do little pranayama, you will be recharged again. We are a rechargeable battery. We are a rechargeable battery. So don't worry for the energy. So there are three things in the life. Health is first. If you're healthy, then everything you can do. Second, health. Second, happiness. And third, wealth. These three things are required. If you want to be happy, you should have all the three, but first is health. So when you are just working with the energy word, that time you can think in that way. But when we are doing acupressure, we are doing lots of things with the help of point. So even you don't want to lose your energy, you can wear something in your thumb. You can wear the hand gloves, and you can do the treatment in that way.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Sir,
yes.
My mother is suffering with lot of problems, sir. She has diabetes, BP, knee pain, back pain. Can I suggest her to apply application of black color to knee points and black color behind the thumb, sir?
Yeah. So number one, you can suggest. Number two, you can wait for 15 days. Let the course finish. Because right now you are incomplete.
Okay.
You can do. If you want to do, you can do. You can do experiments, not a problem. But after 15 days, you will get the complete protocol.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
So, I just want to ask, is there any correlationship with acute cases, faster recovery, chronic cases, longer recovery?
Yeah. So see, acute case means the problem in just superficial network. The problem is in just a superficial network. So you can remove that. But the chronic case means the problem has reached to the central core. Slowly and slowly and slowly, it has reached to the central core. Now it is going to take a longer time. If someone is getting the acute thing, you will cure very fast. Definitely. Because it is just in the network outside, not in the deeper core. So this is the answer. Okay.
Sir, have you given treatment or therapy and seen a difference with major illnesses like maybe rheumatoid arthritis or any people with cancer? Have they seen whether mild or any major differences in how they deal with the illness,
Yeah.
or whether
So
it's gone completely?
I got it. I believe working more on the simple problem than the complicated. My intention to cure knee pain, back pain, eye problem. I don't want to work for cancer. I'm telling you frankly, because there are lots of doctors available for the cancer. Let them work. Why should I go everywhere? I will treat cancer. I will treat kidney failure. I will treat everything. Let them work. And there are lots of range for the knee pain, back pain, glaucoma, eye problem, depression, anxiety, skin disorders, polycystic ovary, uterine problem. Let work there. Because if even I will open the clinic, I will write down, I treat just PCOS, polycystic ovarian syndrome. I'm not treating anything else. Even I will be having full patient. Because there is not less number of patients. So why should I work for the cancer? I'm not telling that we don't have the treatment for the cancer. We have. But my approach, first we should start working with a smaller disease. One day, I treated one patient who was suffering with the running nose, and he got very good benefit and very good faith. And after 1 month, he brought one cancer patient doctor, and the cancer patient was sitting with him, and I was just silenced. Okay, then cancer patient asked me, doctor, whether this is curable. I was, means before I speak, the patient who cured for the running nose, okay, I am telling you will be cured. I am telling you will be cured. Okay. So, because see, when someone asks me, I am suffering with the cancer, can you cure? We will tell, we cannot take the guarantee because we don't know. But the person who has developed the faith, he has developed the faith for running nose. Now faith is working for cancer as well. Now I will do, if I do opposite. Now suppose if I do opposite, one cancer patient is coming to you and I am not able to cure him. Then he will tell, okay, I did acupressure, it's not working. Even he is telling to the patient who is suffering with the running nose, okay, it is useless. But he is not telling that the person is suffering with the 3rd, 4th stage cancer, and now he is telling the acupressure will not work for the running nose. So the thing is this, we should always start working from the small problem. Big problem will come automatically and we are helpless. Even I will tell, okay, I'm not treating the cancer. No, you have to treat. You have to treat. I have faith, you have to treat it. Okay, let's treat. If you have faith, then divine will do something because of your faith, because of not me, because I don't have that experience of the cancer. So definitely we have point. We will do the whole, we will stimulate all the chakras, we will remove the energy blockages from whole body, even for the cancer. But what I am telling you is start working for the small problem, then you will get name and fame. If you start working from the kidney failure, cancer, then immediately you will lose your confidence. Oh, I was not able to cure kidney failure patient. I was not able to cure cancer patient, means I am hopeless. You will be having feeling like that. So start from the small problem, but acupressure having treatment for everything. Maybe we will cure 100%, or we will cure 50, 60%, 70%, but we will able to work in the very better way.
Thank you, sir. It was just for my knowledge. I just wanted to know, if there's anything that even they can benefit, even if it is arthritis, is it that people can benefit or not? Just to understand.
Yes. We are giving very good benefit for the arthritis patient, and even diet play very important role. So we are also conducting one course on the Ayurveda dietitian next month. Ayurveda dietitian, that is also that is the government approved course we are conducting, because we know the importance of the diet. We know the importance of the diet, and the diet is really very important. For the cancer patient, we are giving vitamin B17. Vitamin B17 is the anti-cancerous, and for the arthritis patient also, we are planning a lot. Vitamin D, calcium, phosphorus. They are working for like a cement for the calcium.
So how to apply for that workshop, that Ayurveda diet workshop?
Okay, you can talk to Vidyaji and I will give it.
Okay, thank you so much.
Sir, any live workshops?
Yeah.
Any live workshops?
Yeah, Ayurveda dietitian, that is the nutrition planning for every disease as per the Ayurveda concepts.
Sir, diet coaching, not online classes.
That is government approved. Yeah, live classes will be there. That is government approved course. And we are doing from the 17th September onwards.
Sir, are you any release books, alternative therapies?
No, there's no book, but we will provide PDF for that. Soft copy of the PDF. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
I think it's already 6 o'clock.
Okay, fine. Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for your patience.
Thank you for your
Our questions will never stop. Our questions will never stop.
True, so true, so true. Thank you for being so patient, sir. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
రేపు ఎల్లుండి క్లాస్ ఉన్నాయా?
రేపు ఎల్లుండి లేదండి మండే. Again, we'll meet on Monday. Yes. Yeah.
Monday we will continue, sir, or Janmashtami we will observe.
Okay, that's why I asked you, what do you want? We'll do that. What do you want? So all of you want class, we'll do the class. We will celebrate the Janmashtami together.
What other will tell, sir, that we will listen.
Everyone want.
It's okay, sir. It's a working day for us, so we don't mind, having the class.
Okay, fine. So we'll meet on Monday. Okay.
All right.
So thank you so much.
Okay, sir.
Thank you so much.
sir.